It's an educational video presented by Patanjali Rishikul School, Prayagraj. Class 3rd, subject computer. Topic changing the appearance of sprite.
Hello my dear children, welcome back to the class of computers.
Today we will start with a new chapter, simple movements of sprite.
So let us begin with our class.
Children, let us learn how to change the appearance of sprite. So to create a new project, open Scratch window and click on File menu. Now choose the new option and a new project opens up with the default cat sprite on the stage. Children, when you start a new Scratch project, it begins with a cat sprite and you can edit the looks or appearance of a sprite by changing its costume. As you all know, to move our sprite forward, we use when green flag clicked forever and move 10 steps block so that our sprite will move forward. But have you ever noticed that when our sprite moves on stage in which it is not changing the position of its leg, it is moving in the same position by keeping its leg right forward and move in the same way. But if we want, it will move in a proper manner, so for that we will use costume. Now children, what is costume? So let's see. A costume is the look of a sprite. Every sprite has at least one costume, but some have more. Costumes allows you to have your own sprite, show different positions, looks, etc. You can rename and edit any sprite's costumes. When you click on a sprite in the sprite library, you can tell if it has more costumes or not. So, let's see that how we can change the appearance or costumes of a sprite. So now, let's start with a simple project to move a sprite. Now, for that, first of all, click on Costumes tab and as you can see here, we have two costumes already added here, and if it is not added, you can click on Add Costumes button and you can choose the different positions or different costumes of a sprite. Like in this Scratch project, to move our cat sprite, I have only two costumes in which it is changing the position of its legs. So we have to add both the costumes here. Like here, when we run our project, our sprite is moving. And we have already added the costumes, but it is not changing the position of its leg because we have not given any instruction to the sprite to change its position. So for that, we have to use one more block from the Looks block menu, and that block is Next Costume. So Next Costume block is used to change the costume of our sprite. So children, all the blocks related to our sprite that you will get from Looks block menu. So here we will choose Next Costume block. Next means to switch to the next costume, means to change the appearance that we have already added in the Costume tab. So to change the costume or appearance of a sprite, we have to add costumes first and then we have to give instruction by using Next Costume block. Now as you can see here, when I click on green flag, my sprite has started moving and changing the position of its legs. As it is moving very fast, we will use one more block, that is wait 1 second, and that block you will get from Control block menu. So wait 1 second will help you to slow the speed of your sprite. I have changed the value also from 1 second to 0.2 second to slow down the speed of our sprite. Children, as you can see here that our sprite reaches the edge of the stage, and to turn it back we use If on Edge Bounce block. This we will get from Motion block menu. and when we will use this block, it will rotate our sprite back. Hopefully you all have understood. Thanks for watching.